The Minister of Defence is conducted round the various training sites as the officers and men continue to show him series of military tactics such as range, obstacle crossing, among several others. His address to men of the command is for them to help Nigeria achieve unity irrespective of the country's diversity. He says the fact that the military has different ethnic groups fighting side by side to protect the nation's territorial integrity makes it a symbol of Nigeria's unity.
I have spent a lot of time to hear their problems. I've also gone around to see how we need to improve the facilities around here. So also the training on ambushes. I promise the nation that we are going to make special case for training because of the frequent ambushes that are happening in the theater of operation.
The Senate representative who's here with the minister gives an assurance that the war against insurgency will continue to be given attention by the lawmakers.
Requests that came to us from the defense sector, we approved as such. We have not reduced any. In fact, if anything, there are certain areas that the slight increase, especially towards the insurgency, fight against insurgency. The armed forces is receiving a lot of attention, a lot of support from the National Assembly.
Meanwhile, the Army headquarters says it's collaborating with other security agencies to tame the violence.
The Army, as you all know, have been involved in support of civil authority in the maintenance of internal security, in addition to its constitutional role of protecting the territorial integrity of Nigeria. We will continue to ensure that all training schools in the Nigerian Army are provided with the basic facilities to ensure excellence and proficiency.
As security forces continue to re-strategize on how to end the Boko Haram insurgency, they say the political will of the present administration and support by members of the public will give them the needed impetus to get the job done.